Wednesday, July 16th, 2:51 p.m. New York time. Welcome back, investors, to Winning Wall Street's Money. Middle of the week, middle of the month, third quarter of the year. This week, we have a lot of economic news been released daily, as well as company stock earnings. Extra volatility for the markets. And then we also have news from the White House on tariffs. Do a top down here on the S&P 500. So we'll go over my day trade I took. Past 2 days, I shared a few trade ideas on stock indexes and individual stocks. That's just exclusive to my Patreon page. So again, we're looking here at the 20-year chart, monthly candles, S&P 500 futures, and currently a new high for the year. Yep, this month broke above the high of last month. You pay attention to what I said earlier? We're halfway through the month. Look how small the trading range is here. Tiny little candle compared to these prior candles. So the momentum's up, higher highs, higher lows. Middle of the month, really small candle trading range. That means the high and low has not gone too far compared to these prior months. That's suspicious. When you're all the way up here, well, when I take you to the lower time frame, you'll see some more understanding of what's been occurring. Building acceleration, which may be a reversal this time. So we're looking at the weekly. We made a V pattern this year. And we broke above the V pattern, went higher. Big push up. Currently for the week, again, new high for the year. Look at these two little bodies. This week, currently it's not done till 5 p.m. Friday. Made a higher high and rejected it. Also made a lower low than last week. So I have these two dodgy candles forming here. Consolidation. Maybe early signs of distribution. Distribution. This was distribution over a duration of time. And then we had the markdown. Again, here. Distribution, markdown, accumulation, markup. Used a lot of energy to get up here. Let's take it to the daily now. Put it for the year to date. There you go. All the price action for the year to date. And look at this. Huge consolidation the past several days. Again, small trading ranges. Some people buying at the dip. Some people taking profits at the high. Yesterday was the high of the year. Today, lower high, lower low. Trading currently inside that range. Yeah. Go intraday. Well, first, let's go to cash. This is the cash index, SPX. This one closes at 4 p.m. There's a gap here that hasn't been filled, as well as all these down here. Yeah. In this summertime, expect a pullback. How vicious will the pullback be? Don't know. Again, be prepared. Opportunities. I'm looking for the bearish opportunities to profit on the downside using advanced option strategies. Bear call spreads. Let's go intraday now in the ES. Look at the past 2 days here. Huge consolidation. 4-hour candles. Today, we made a lot of whipsaw. Look at this big rejection down here. And buyers stepped in. Didn't even go down to the demand zone. And up there yesterday, also was a rejection. We had the impulse move down. So again, we're back here in this big balance area. Huge consolidation. Not impressive. There's a battle going here. Bulls and bears. One-hour chart. Same thing you see. The green zone. A lot of fast price action here on these hours. And massive rejections up here at the highs. 15-minute chart. Let's take it to 1 day. There we go. Today. Green area was the Asian session. Purple was the London session. And this little gold session, the first 15 minutes of the New York session. So going up high right now. They're running up. It's almost 3 o'clock p.m. New York time. They're pushing up after this huge volatility. Big intraday price action. A lot of whipsaw. We're on a 2-minute chart. S&P 500 futures. I took 3 trades. Thank goodness they were all profits. So this 2-minute chart, see this blue horizontal line on the bottom and blue horizontal line on top. And the red vertical line, that was 11 a.m. And the one on the far left was 6 a.m. So, then morning session. Gray vertical line, 7 a.m. Gray vertical line here, 8 a.m. And this orange vertical line, 8:30 a.m. Economic news was released. So we're grinding up towards it. News come up, huge spike up, more running up. 9 o'clock was the top of the hour, 9 a.m. That's when the 4-hour candle gets done and a new one starts. So you can see after we had to run up into the news, a lot of consolidation. And then the yellow vertical line, 0930 when the New York Stock Exchange opens. So you can see definitely from the news, 8:30 news to 9:30, we were up here. Huge consolidation. Opened up. Let me zoom in. So we opened up the New York Stock Exchange, 9:30, made a higher high, first 2 minutes. And then we sold off, dump, going inside this imbalance area. So I waited, took a short here. Fast moved down and closed it before we broke below here. So made a gain, closed it and made a profit. Nice. Left a lot of money on the table. It went lower. Got done right there, 10 a.m. But it didn't get done. That's a new top of the hour. So 10 a.m. we were doing consolidation here. 10 a.m. we dumped even lower, never taking out the low here, this blue horizontal line. And I'm seeing this rotation. So I see this green big body candle inside there. That's a reversal signal off the bottom. Yep, I liked it. I want to see a retest. Consolidation. Green candle right here. Lower low, lower high. Big wicks on the bottom. I liked it. So I took a trade there, went long. And that next right there closed it where the white line was. So again, the yellow arrows for my entry, the white arrows where I closed. So these were fast scalps. Again, the point is I'm scalping, not buying and holding. And my next thought was, see this green line? I was thinking going long when that breaks. I didn't wait. I bought it here on the green arrow. A little bit higher, and then reversal. Took some heat, went lower, lower, low. And look at that. Inside candle, reverse, nice. So my next thought was, okay, I'm going to close just shy of getting up here. That swing high. Because we may have a failure. Again, this was the place we know there is bears. So as we ran up there, my trade got closed just shy of that swing high. Went higher, left money on the table. Thank goodness I closed. Again, huge move down. And that was my third trade. 1 bearish trade, 2 bullish trades. Let's go zooming out, see how it looks now. There we are now. Let's take it to the news. That was the news time. Take it to the New York Open. There we go. Oh, thank goodness. Look at that. Those were my bullish trades, 2 and 3, and huge sell-off. Yep. Ran down to that key level. And look at this. Big drama. Lots of price action. Definitely learned a few things I go over. So I'll open this one more thing to show you. There we go. This is my radar on another monitor. Look at multiple time frames. Top right, 4-hour. Second from the top right, 1 hour. And then the second from the top left, 15-minute, and the top left, 5-minute. So all the ES and the bottom, the NQ. So I'm watching these, how they perform as well too. And I'm doing my trades, of course, on the 1-minute I showed you. Oh, sorry, on that 2-minute. So today I chose the 2-minute. Yeah, but I'm watching how things go here. So just looking here on the 4-hour candle, the ES will close at 5 p.m. Got big red candle, huge volatility, big wick going up. So good chance we're going to go in these areas, imbalance area. Looking here today on the 1 hour, yeah, massive whipsaw, man. And big difference here from the morning, taking out the low of the London. Yep, morning here, we took out the low of the London overnight and now new highs. in 5 minutes. Lots of opportunities for different trades inside there if you catch them. Thank you as always, spending just a little time with me. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.